Hey guys, welcome back to the Gypsy Moon Child, and this is going to be the monthly reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Libras. Take only what resonates and leave the rest. Remember, time is fluid, and energies and roles can be reversible or vice versa. If this reading doesn't resonate at all, you can check your Moon, Rising, or Venus signs or readings by any other reader as well. If you want to book a personal reading with me, please check the description box below. You can book it directly via my website or DM me on Instagram for the same. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So let's see what do we get for Libras for June 2021. Any messages for Libras for June 2021? Okay, Nine of Pentacles is the first card for you guys. So I feel that you are in a good point at your career, in life. Everything is good, but there's something still missing from your life. Okay, the love, friendship, something is there that you really terribly miss. You've earned a lot, you're rich, but I think there's something or someone you terribly miss these days. So you're not really happy with whatever you've earned. Okay, you miss someone or someone misses you terribly as well. Energies and roles can be reversible or vice versa. Okay, so we've got two cards that flew out of the deck. Three of Wands. I'll show the card. And Knight of Cups. So I think that you somewhere decided to move on from this person, to move away from this person, or they did. So now you miss them, but you or this person is wearing their heart on their sleeve. So it's just like someone is just waiting for a green signal to take the next step in this connection, be it a romantic or a platonic connection. So it's like you've decided on something, but it was like you'll never look back and all that stuff, but you really miss this person now. So I feel that you still love this person, or they still love you somewhere. You have that affection for each other, you care about each other a lot, but someone here is just still like I feel you're just waiting for the right signal so that you can approach them, or probably they are waiting for that one signal from you so they can approach you in some way. But either of you is just waiting for something to happen so you can take the next step, because you both still really care for each other, you both still really love each other. The next is Ace of Swords. So definitely some sort of new beginning coming up your way with this person, but um, there's the need of truth to be spoken. A truthful communication is the need here of the connection, and you both really have to do that in order to settle things up. And some sort of communication is coming your way from them as well, or it's probably you who is planning to make that conversation happen, but you have to have the conversation, if you know what I mean. That will actually set the tone of this connection, like that will actually bring out a lot of truths, and it's like it's going to be a very meaningful and a truthful conversation. This will mark the new beginning in this connection as well. So this is like much needed here, I feel. If you terribly miss someone, then know that communication is coming up to you. Some of you guys, this has already happened. For some, this will happen after some time, or this probably is happening to you right now. So it can resonate to you at a different point of time as well. So I feel this is kind of a mutual thing. I think for a group, it could also be the case that you and your person both are actually waiting for some sort of green signal here. Okay, you both want some sort of sign so that you both can connect to each other. It's kind of like that. Temperance. Some of you might be dealing with a Sag. So this will require a lot of patience right now. And I think that this is the time for you to balance your emotions as well as your feelings, your uh, your work, maybe your personal life. You gotta make a healthy balance between things You really have to learn that, and things will also take some time to happen, so you gotta be patient for now. Do not just rush things up. Things will happen for your own good, but you really have to be patient. The Judgment, a restart of a connection here. I feel something is happening behind the scenes, and definitely a call that you've been waiting for or a text you've been waiting for is coming up for you, Libra. um, this is just like a restart and a connection. I feel this is like you're gonna connect again with this person. You're gonna yeah, talk again. Something is gonna happen between you both, I feel, again. So it's like a restart, a refresh in this connection. Let's pull out some cards from Romance Angels for you guys. Past life relationship, you've known each other before, so this is definitely some sort of connection that is coming from your past life, or you probably have a past with each other. So it's not like a new person coming up with this Ace of Swords. It's basically a new beginning with someone. You guys know each other either from past life or past from this life itself, but you guys, that's why you guys feel so connected to each other and not able to let go of each other, because there is something, some sort of very strong connection that is holding you two together, and a lot is happening behind the scenes right now in this connection as well. But I think the message or a call you've been waiting for is definitely coming from them, and that will actually make give you a new beginning here with this person. But whatever this is, it looks good to me, with the Judgment here being the last card. It's good. Things are changing for the better with this person, I feel. New start, chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here, connection here. So however you want to call it, it's like really really good for you guys, Libra. This is, it's like you guys feel that connection, as I said, because you guys have a connection from before, so you feel that pull towards each other. You're just not able to let go of this person. They're not able to let go of you. So I'm pulling out some love messages for the person of your interest. Let's see what do we get here. Okay, we've got 3 cards. I usually pull 2, but let's see one by one. Your beautiful face is always on my mind. That's first message. I turned out liking a lot more than I originally planned. I feel like I'm waiting for something that isn't going to happen. So your person might not be able to hate you for whatever you've done to them, and they just keep thinking about you. But it's also the case that for some of you guys, your person is actually waiting for something to happen, and they feel like this is never going to happen. The Libra is never going to change. Things are never going to change. Okay, so that's it for Libras. I hope this reading resonates with you on some level, and if it did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, and God bless you all.